back to the channel. This is Capital Gains 500. It's been a long time, I know. I'm very excited to be back. More than excited, I'm ecstatic. Alright, so today I just want to go over just looking at the market, alright, because so many things have been going on that, just so much things have been going on. It's just time to, put new levels up. Look at SPY. Look at the overall market. Draw some levels. Plan out some trades. If you're a long-term investor, well, you probably should just buy and hold. Buy the dip, and follow Nancy Pelosi's hedge fund. Maybe, I don't know. All right, yeah. I'm just using WeBull myself. All right, because WeBull has been really amazing, especially with their desktop app. Like, it's one of the best. I know a lot of other pro traders like myself, they use Thinkorswim, but just WeBull has been really good. And I'll even share with you guys my screen on my own active trader. TOS has the active trader. This is my active trader. Boom, 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 buy, sell, boom, boom, boom. All right, but right now, today, just single charts. Creating supporting resistance levels, finding very important levels. First of all, SPY. Let's go to the weekly. What are we seeing? What I'm seeing is the biggest bull run in the world. Up to date, SPY is incredible. I believe from the March lows, we are now all the way to highs, brand new highs. So that's amazing. I do want to share with you guys that I have these trend lines. All right, I have these amazing trend lines that have been helping me. Right here, they've been acting as support. Try to break through. I also have the 12 moving average. I don't know why 12 has been a really good number to me. So as you can see, we're on weekly, and 12 has been a really magical number on the weekly. So something to look at, right? It just pierces and goes back up a little bit. But other than that, on the weekly, I have this amazing support line, this white dash line on SPY. Just amazing bull action, unstoppable. I thought we were kind of topping up here at 420, 425. I thought that's where we could have gone down. We certainly did try to test it. We tested the support line and it bounced back up very nicely. So on the weekly, SPY, just looks unstoppable. At the current moment, just today was Monday, right? Today was Tuesday. Oh my gosh, I'm way out of line with my dates. So just today, this new candlestick of this week, where we have a doji. So we have a lot of room for this week, right? We're already a little bit on the low, but we have a doji as of today. And what that means is we can either go higher, test new highs again, or we can start, maybe pushing a little bit down. Again, I like to use the 12 moving average. We could come and test it. That wouldn't be bad. Hopefully it doesn't, surprise us like from July 16th to the new week of the following week, where it opens up very low. But obviously the bulls came in, bought the dip. We do have a lot of bullish candles, bullish engulfing, right? So this doji doesn't scare me. If we start heading down, it's just, a nice healthy pullback. Everything that's going on in the world isn't to be, people want to say like, oh, that could be a turning point, but no. It's all about price action. It's all about, where are buyers and where are sellers. Well, right now I drew a huge heavy support line, which is this zone that I created. Let me unlock it so I can actually extend it. Oh, I think I just locked it right now. So this huge zone right here is a huge heavy support. So if we were to pull back down, we'd be looking at to test 437, 438. We would be scaring people, having a lot of stop losses, especially under 440. All right, so 440 is another psychological support zone, which is my yellow, and I'm actually going to make it pretty heavy. So yellow is my strong support zone, and we'll just leave it at yellow. But the next super heavy support zone is 437 to 438. That's a zone, and I like that zone because, as you can see it here in the past, it used to be resistance. Then it was support for a lot of pushes of the bears. You know, they were trying to attack it. We had this nice channel right here where we went sideways for a little bit. Oops, I created a horizontal line. I was not right. I'll just draw it with the box to make it so much cleaner for your visuals. Right here, this was a nice, you know, support resistance, up and down zone. It broke and it started scaling higher. Very good, very good, very healthy. So today was a very interesting day. I did see this price action pushing SPY down, and I did short it a little bit. But good thing, you know, I had things to do that I was able to leave my desk and not go into this crazy price action. It was crazy because it sold off. I'm actually going to put extended hours so we can see the full picture of today. You know, I was able to short it a little bit. Like I said, right here, I was able to catch a little bit of this price action. As you can see, it's a little triangle, a little move. Okay, nice. Bounce back up. Just looked like another day where people buy the dip. But then we formed actually a bigger triangle. And here's what you want to look when you're trading, you know, big moves. Bigger triangles. No, like bigger price action, bigger price zones. As you can see, this one was small. This was this little small one. So from here to here, that was a scalp. You don't want to hold it for the day. I mean, today would have played out in your favor to a degree if you would have cashed out correctly. But, you know, the bulls came back in, bought the dip. Double bottom, damn, you know, that's why recognizing patterns helps out a lot in trading. Here, you have a double bottom. Bam, bam. You see? And it brought it back up. Here was resistance, right? It was able to break it. Retest. This is another awesome pattern when it, you know, breaks out of a key resistance. This being right here. It retested it. Scared a lot of people. Trap. Certainly did it trap bears right here because then bulls pulled it way up. So this is what some people like to call a lightning bolt. Boop, boop, boom. Right? So this was beautiful price action. And we ended the day on SPY with a nice bull flag that right at the end, it pulled through. So crazy price action. I'm upset that I didn't get to trade all of it. Only scalped it a little bit. Like I said, I was busy most of the day. But, you know, once you identify huge, you know, consolidations of trading, that's where you then want to, you know, position yourself a little bit more, how would I explain it, aggressively, because here you could buy 1, 2, or 3 contracts and just hold hold. You know, a good exercise is to measure the size of the wedge, the size of the zone. And why is it not moving? Come on, come on. There we go. And measure it, and then boom, you see you could have got from here to here. But then it went even more. That's awesome. So a lot of points to the downside today. But what can happen tomorrow? Alright, well, I do not want to look at 5 minutes. I probably want to look at something like 1 hour is okay, but my favorite is 2 hours. So I really like the 2 hours. That's where I like to, you know, look for big potential trades. Same thing as here. You know, we had some triangles here on the 2 hours. Look what you can identify. A nice consolidation zone right here. Breaks to the upside on this day of August 5th. You know, kind of pierce through it, retest, scare some people, trap some people, trap bears especially, right? The reason why we get a lot of pumps is because one side is trapped, and on this day it was the bears. So we pushed higher and higher overnight. A lot of the big moves in the indices happen overnight. So as you can see, you would have held your calls overnight. Boom, you're stacking some cash the next day. Then consolidated sideways, a nice little zone. Boom, 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 boom. On August 11th, higher, 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 higher. And then yesterday was a crazy day where Nancy Pelosi made bank, right? All right, enough with the jokes. All right, well, my job as a trader is to, you know, look for opportunities. And what am I looking at right now? Not so much in the S&P 500. Like I said, on the weekly, we see a doji. So we can actually, you know, we want to actually highlight that. I want to highlight the doji. The doji is something like this, because we got our open and close, and we got our wicks up and down. So this is a consolidation zone in my eyes. You know, this right here. We can actually even revert back to past price action, and we're actually a little bit on top of it or under it, depending on your view of it. Right now we're on top. Before we were under. That's crazy that a lot of people just came in and bought the dip. Nonetheless, it doesn't matter. So we got this zone, consolidation zone. I wouldn't want to trade that. But what other patterns do I see? Alright, let's actually use my handy dandy perps. Purple's a good color. No, blue? Sure, we'll use blue. What do I see? What do I see? Alright, here are the lows that I'm seeing. Lows, lows, lows. Highs, highs. Ooh, okay. So we got lower high, lower high. Okay, lower low, lower low. So tomorrow, this is very good, useful information just to build up a scenario on a trade idea. Okay. Is it the best? I wouldn't say so. This was amazing. You know, this was great. Right here was good too, especially on the breakout. Boom. So right now it's a lot of consolidation. A lot of the markets don't know where they want to go. So that's SPY. We can just leave it there, all right? We don't have to get crazy. We don't have to get crazy. Yes, I am going to make this line blue because it is also heavy support. A lot of heavy support right there. All right, that's SPY. And next I'm going to go to the QQQs. QQQs. All right, nice. I have a lot of good levels already. And as you can see, once they get broken, we have good probability of moving to the next level. Like right here, it was nice support, support, support. Pierced through, trapped a lot of bears again, right? Fake break to the downside. Shot back up very immediately within 2 hours. No, that was super fast. And then it pushed through that day to the next day, all the way to the next value area, which was 369. Very nice. Today, tech is interesting, right? Tech is very interesting because on one side, you got Kathy Woods all the way in tech. So that gives a lot of, you know, investors the benefit that they have someone backing also their position and belief that tech to the moon. All right. But that, you know, but what is the price action telling us? The price action is telling us that something big is going to happen. Am I seeing a megaphone pattern? I think that's what I was going to point out, that I'm actually seeing something like a megaphone pattern. And the megaphone pattern is great because that means it can really move. You know, we can really be moving and having a nice payday. All right, so let's put here, here, right there. And let's also make it purple. And let's make it thick. Let's make it real thick. That way we can just identify these are super important levels. Going into tomorrow, I'm going to actually widen this yellow. I'm going to actually make it a crucial level by making it blue. So in my mind, this is great support. We have a lot of support even on the purple, especially on the blue. If we go under it, if we go under 364, all right, let's make a note. Let's make a note. 364. What do we have to do? 364. We throw in some puts. All right. PT. Our profit target could easily be 362. All right. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. You know, why? Look at this. Tell me that 362 is not possible. Look just at today. Look at all the way to the wick. It moved $4. It closed at around 3. So if it was to break this support, 362 is a piece of cake. You know, then your next profit target could be 361.50. But don't be greedy, you know. Sell some of your position on time. So that's what I'm looking at. Wow. All right. QQQ is a really good one. QQQ. I need to get my notebook. Damn. I need to be writing these levels down on paper also. Why is that? Because if I don't, I will definitely be forgetting. And forgetfulness is what costs me money sometimes. Where I don't take the trade that I had planned out. Missed it. Totally forget it. See it later on. And then I'm like, oh shoot, what happened? Well, you didn't take your damn trade that you plan. Alright, 364 puts on QQQ. I'm writing this on a little piece of notepad. So that's if it breaks. I'm actually, you know, even today, look at this, nice, beautiful break. Break. Oh my gosh, I should have been identifying this pattern earlier and used it today. Today I could have profited very nicely. Look at these, rejected, you know, support turning into resistance. That's what it's all about. So we are able to identify that QQQ is pretty weak, again, if we go under 364. If it consolidates and holds, I will not trade it. But if after 11, you know, after 11 a.m., I start to see 364, 60, 69, I'm going to feel pretty confident going in with some calls. The reason for that is we consolidated quite a bit. We probably trapped some bears, and we squeeze higher. We could be testing 365.50 again, just like today, and that would be great. All right, so that's the QQQ. Let's quickly go back to SPY again, because I actually forgot to draw some of these bad boys, some support levels right there. Now I can see if we go under this and QQQ goes under this, it's a pretty troublesome day tomorrow. You know, pretty troublesome. So heavy support right there. Some support right there too. All right, what stocks am I looking to trade? Airlines, not really. Not at all. You know, I don't like trading airlines. Apple, ooh, Apple's looking like a good one. Today, that's what I get for bragging. That's what I get for bragging. I was saying I'm an investor in one of the richest, in the most valuable company in the world. You know, I wanted to go to all-time highs, wanted to take a picture and show it off, but obviously I jinxed it, and sorry guys, I'm the one who made Apple go you know, when you buy and it starts going down, it's because of you. Yep, that was me today. So this is a crucial support. We could actually come and test it. Support around 49. I wouldn't be surprised. Again, QQQ goes down, SPY goes down, Apple could potentially go down. Where would I be looking to take a trade? Right here. I would be looking at a retest, lightning bolt downwards. So let's actually make that orange, you know, crucial for tomorrow. So I like Apple. I'm gonna put Apple on my maybe trading block. Apple's one of them. Airbnb. You ugly. Was I trying to trade Airbnb? I don't even remember if I took a look at it. But this is not bad. Okay. Airbnb has a good possibility to short tomorrow. Why? Because, you know, low. If we start going lower, there you go. It's that simple. You know, break a crucial level. Trade it. Hold your position. How low can it go? Especially on crazy days like right now. I wouldn't mind a $3 move. Ooh, very profitable. Nice. I like that. I like a $3 move. So that could be 140. Yeah. That's a clean psychological number. 140 would be the goal. So let's put that right there. Airbnb on the chopping block tomorrow. You know, if it's a red day. If it's a green day, I don't think Airbnb has any, you know, pressure to really go back up. not worth the risk reward in my opinion right now. AMD looking nice. AMD looking nice. Why is AMD looking nice? Well, because the reason is we got a nice little wedge. Big movement coming in for AMD. It could break to the downside. It can go bananas up to the upside. All right. AMD. Yes, sir. Watch me find like 25 good trades. I like to stop at 5. You know, I'm gonna just look for the big names. AMD's super liquid, so definitely on my list. You know, I won't trade it here, but breaks to the upside, we're going long. Breaks to the downside, we're going short. Let me quickly check Nvidia. Right, AMD and Nvidia, very good pair. So you want to see how they're doing also. Same thing, looking like a nice wedge. There we go. Well, actually, Nvidia's more in the channel. Yeah, Nvidia. Nvidia could lead the way for AMD if Nvidia starts breaking to the downside. We have an advantage to know that, right? If this is a crucial support and resistance area zone, that's why I have it double lined very closely. If it breaks it, we could try to hold support again, but if it breaks it, ooh, nice, 190. Nvidia. All right, AMD and Nvidia, very liquid stocks. Definitely on my chopping block. That's why I wanted to check it out. And AMD looked good. Now I know Nvidia looks good. Now I have somewhat of a plan. Amazon, look at this wedge. Look at this wedge. Closed it. It broke it to the downside. Should have bought mega puts, especially with Jeff Bezos going to space. Not cool, man. Focus on making Amazon even better. So I'm actually just going to extend this. It's going to be resistance going forward. 33.60. Where are we at right now? 32.6, almost 30. Okay. Damn. If things start going south pretty fast, we could see Amazon under to 3,200 very quickly. Big money right there, but no one, people just get scared to short. Support right there using previous price action. That looks like a clean there. Yep. Beautiful profit target. It would go under 3,200. Nice. I don't really like trading Amazon. My account ain't that big. I wish it was. Ooh, ARC going down. ARC going down. Mayday. ARC. Watch out. Next, I'm just going to look at very liquid stocks. Boeing. I know. Boeing. Baba. Let's not even talk about Baba or Baidu. Haven't been doing great. So, for the same reason, they could be leaders to the downside. But I ain't going to bet on it. Caterpillar. Caterpillar should be doing great. It was, but, you know, this pullback. It's just a strong pullback. Caterpillar is definitely on my watch list. Actually, I'm going to put another right there. And the reason why is because it broke resistance from today. And create new order. Nope, no. I want to be notified. That way I can try to go long also. Create alert. There we go. Once per minute. News. Nope, no. Just win the price. All right. There we go. Awesome. Thank you. Charge point. No. Coinbase. How's Coinbase doing? If Bitcoin can rally, then Coinbase could rally too. Costco. All-time highs. Unstoppable. Oh my gosh. Look at Costco. Man, I should have just traded Costco only. CRM. Ooh. CRM looking nice. Beautiful wedge. Right there. CRM going in my list. CrowdStrike. Hey, I'm glad I never really tried to trade it again. I think I wanted to go long around here. I remember looking at CrowdStrike a while back, and I was like, long, long, long. Ooh, wow. When it breaks a key support, you know it's a bloody day. Bam. Look, another key support. Bam. Wow. So I wouldn't want to touch this right now. I don't want to touch it. Not going to. Dropbox. Ugh, man, I'm always late to the shorting party. Like, really shorting. And that's my specialty. Shorts, shorts, shorts. The Dow Jones. Not available right here. DocuSign. Needed a nice pullback. Anyway. Other than that, I guess Facebook is another very liquid stock. Ooh, on a crucial support. Right? Support, support. Ooh, pierced it. If we can start going down again, that'd be interesting. This could be considered a retest. Boom, down. So Facebook. But I got a couple of good names, and Facebook isn't one of my favorites to trade. But we'll still keep an eye on it. Definitely keep an eye on it. Do not want to give up any potential opportunity for a good trade. Right? Why would we want to do that? There we go. So just keep Facebook on watch. Lastly, FedEx. FedEx tends to make big moves, you see, once you can identify it. Like right here. Look at this beautiful wedge. Bam. Gold. Gold has been getting beaten up, but look at that massive rally. Damn, I should have bought this one was a dip to buy. Mega dip to buy. So definitely keep gold on watch. And I would say that's it. Home Depot. Wow. Really went down after hours. That's gonna be it. Like, I don't want to go through everything. If interest rates start rising, could be good for banks. Very good for banks. Keep JP Morgan on watch for that reason. Moderna. Bam. Okay. We're identifying some key areas right there. Microsoft, you know, doing good, holding on, but that could mean it could be time for profit taking. That's another great company to take a look at, Microsoft. Like the really big names. You know, you don't have to trade everything, just whatever you feel comfortable, and these are the ones I'm feeling good about. Peloton. Nice. Peloton, what the heck's up with you, homeboy? All right, I guess. And lastly, ooh, PayPal. Oh. Oh. Man, mother, I should have just buy your damn puts. Just buy your damn puts and hold them. Oh, man, I would have done so amazing. PayPal. Okay. It's okay. Nobody's perfect. Qualcomm. On a crucial support. Oh, man, I gotta write this one down too. Qualcomm. So we don't forget why we're looking at it. You know, Megaphone breaks it to the downside, it's a bloody day. Roblox. Roku. Oh man, Roku. That's so sad, Roku. That's so sad, Roku. But you can bounce. You got a nice support right here. You can bounce. You know, before we like stocks fall, they can bounce. You know, so have faith in them. Shopify. Ooh, it was coming. That's what I get for not being 100% mentally here. Square. I like this. Aggressive downtrend. I mean, like moderate downtrend. So if it breaks a lower low, bam, to the downside. that simple. And lastly, Tesla. Tesla's gonna be my last one. Oh, Zoom is actually pretty good right now too. But Tesla? I'm such an idiot. I'm such an idiot. Should have held my put longer. TSM, nice. I mean, not nice, right? This is what I'm looking for. This nice movement to the downside in the stocks that I'm pointing out. Well, for myself. And Zoom. Zoom is at a crucial... Oh, hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Double top. Double top. We're at a crucial breaking point. If it goes, it goes. Let's go, man. Zoom. Definitely on my watch list. Could break to the upside nicely. You know, very nicely. Could have a beautiful day like right here. Or, dun. Alright. So that is it. I will be making an update in the morning. We'll see how it goes. These are the main stocks that I'm going to be looking at. I'll make my video. Sharing it with other people. Seeing if, you know, you're interested in also trading it. Cool. If you're not, cool. And let's go on from there. I do have some meetings tomorrow. So hopefully, you know, the bloodbath starts early. Or I'll just skip my first... I want to go to it. Oh, man. Do I skip my meeting? If I'm making money, I'm not going. If I'm not making money, I'm going. Okay. Alright, guys. That was an awesome live stream for 30 minutes. I had fun recording it. It's been a while. I know. Other than that, shoot. If you want drama videos again, I'll make drama videos again. That's what got my channel popping. But it's cool. Alright, guys. See you guys in the next live stream, or if I start posting videos. Peace out.